Good morning, I am Nikesh from class 9. We have created a Rubik's Cube solving robot by the help of Lego Mindstorm kit. Here, there is the brick which is the main brain of the robot. It controls the parts of this robot and it also gives the command to the parts of the robot. We have used two motors in this robot. The motor which is present here, it is for the bottom movement of the cube. This motor is for the top movement of the cube. This medium sized motor is for the movement of the light sensor. Here we have used a light sensor for scanning of the colors of the cube. This is an ultrasonic sensor for the purpose of if the cube is present, then the code will start, and if it absent, then the code will not start. First, we have to put this cube in the slot. Now it is scanning all the colors of all the 6 faces of this cube. Now it is calculating the steps. It will solve this cube in 19 steps. Now the cube is solved. We can command this robot to create patterns in this cube. It can create many patterns by the help of this cube. We can use ultrasonic sensor and color sensor in autopiloted vehicles. Ultrasonic sensor will work in finding the objects near the vehicle. It will also work, it will stop the accident chances because human brain can't control the vehicle more faster and better than the computer. The color sensor will work in detecting the lights of a traffic signal. When the signal gets red, then the car will stop with the engine, and when the color gets yellow, then the engine will start, and when the color gets green, then the car will start moving. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Suraj from class 8. This is cyborg arm made by our whole team. The main purpose of our creating this arm is to help the handicapped people or those who need an artificial arm. It works on the principle of this 4 touch sensor and 4 motors and 2 bricks used in this cyborg arm. When we touch any of these touch sensor, the following motor will start moving and the finger will act like a real arm. Let me show you a demonstration of this arm. Now you can see it is perfectly fitting in my hand, and now I am going to run the program of this arm. Now if I touch any of this touch sensor, the following motor will start moving. This was the whole purpose of our artificial hand. It is just a prototype to show you guys how the mechanism of this cyborg arm works. My team is also working on another arm which works on neuron sensor. With the help of that sensor, we can control the cyborg arm with our brain nerves. I hope you like our project cyborg arm. Thank you.
Hello, I am Suraj from class 8.
I am Nikesh from class 9th.
I am Ankit from class 8.
We are here for the occasion of Vidya Tech Fest X. We have created a robot to solve the problems of a common city. This is a map named City Shaper, in which there are some problems of a common city. We have to solve these problems by the help of our robot.